Welcome to our tutorial video on how to change region or country on Instagram. I'm Akin from Create, Login and Delete, and let's get started. So first, go ahead and open up Instagram application on your device. And once the app opens up, tap on your profile at the bottom right corner. Now, in order to change your region or country on Instagram, the first thing we need to do is switching to business account if you have a personal account. For that, tap on the three horizontal line in the upper right corner. And from the given options, simply tap on settings. Once you land on the settings page, scroll down and select account. Now from the account section, scroll down to the very bottom and select switch to professional account. You can go ahead and tap on the continue button. From here, select a category that describes you the best. For now, I'm going to select artist and tap on done. On the next page, make sure to select business and then tap on next. Now, once you come up to this contact info page, you'll be able to find a section that says business address. Tap on it, and now you can put on the specific region or country that you wish to add. Type down the street address and select a city or town. And if you're known to your postal code, then make sure to add your postal code as well. Once you're done filling all the information, click on save button to save it. And that's it. So that's how you can change region or country on Instagram. So I really hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please like, share and subscribe to us for more great contents. Thanks for watching.